Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need to confirm the server supports SQL Server Agent and that the agent service exists. Once verified, run Ssms as administrator to avoid permission issues. Connect to the instance you'll modify, and in Object Explorer, locate the SQL Server Agent node. This is where jobs live. If the node is collapsed, expand it now so you can act. Making sure you're connected to the right instance prevents mistakes later, and starting here speeds you into the actual enablement steps. Once the node is visible but disabled, you'll enable the service. Open Services. MSC and find SQL Server Agent for your instance, then start it and set Startup Type to Automatic so it survives reboots. If the agent node is entirely absent, run SQL Server Setup and add the SQL Server Agent feature. Make sure to restart the instance afterward. After starting or installing, refresh Object Explorer and inspect the agent's error log to confirm normal startup and to catch any permission or configuration warnings. You'll create a job now. Right-click Jobs, choose New Job, then define owner, steps, schedules, and notifications so it runs reliably. Make sure steps use the correct database context and credentials, otherwise jobs will fail at runtime. Once done, enable the job and run it manually to test. If the agent won't start, check the service account permissions, firewall and port settings, and Windows Event Viewer for errors. This single troubleshooting check often reveals the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.